In this tutorial, you'll be introduced to the administration login. To get started with your Electude trial, you must first log in as the administrator and agree to terms of service. Click on the Administration tab and enter the password sent to you by email from your Electude sales representative. Verify your account information in the form, check the box to agree to terms, then click OK to save. The system will now direct you to update your administration password. Type in chosen password in the space provided, confirm, then click OK to save. Next, go to the Settings tab to configure General Site Settings. From the left-hand menu, select General. Confirm language choice and choose whether or not you wish to give users a choice of language options. For all new accounts, choose between email-generated password or administrator-teacher-generated password. If using email-generated password, choose between entering full-form data or short-form email address as the username. When finished, click OK to save. Next, click the Teachers tab from the top menu bar. Then click the plus near the center of the page to create a new teacher account. Enter the teacher's email address at the top of the form. This will become their username to log into the system. If you wish for the teacher to receive student feedback, change the feedback setting from No to Yes. Click Add to create the new teacher account. That's it. You've configured your Electude site and it can now be used by teachers and students. Click the X in the upper right corner to return to the login screen. Please go to our website at electude.com for more training tutorials.